Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Blue color. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Black color. The next one is yellow color. And now we use the color of red. The last one is green color. Kids, first we draw the number of 1. Now we use the color of blue. And now we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. And now we draw 2. T-W-O, 2. Kids, the next one is 3. The number of 3. T-H-R-E-E. We again use the color of blue and draw. Now we draw the number of 4. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the number of 5. F-I-V-E, 5. The next one is 6. S-I-X, 6. Now we draw the number of 7 and use black color. The color of black. Black color, black color. The number of 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. And now we draw 8 and the next one is 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Now we draw the number of 10. T-E-N, 10. The next one is 11. And now we draw the number of 12. Kids, the next one is 13. The color of green. Now we use green color. Now we draw 14. The number of 15. Now we draw the number of 15. Now we draw the number of 16 and the next one is 17. Kids, now we use the color of yellow. Yellow color, yellow color. The next one is 18. The number of 18. Now we draw the number of 19. Kids, now we draw the number of 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.